Say tatay. Uy, binibidyo kita ngayon. Binibidyo. Ayaw magdaldal.
Mumu daw.
Mumu. Say mumu. Mumu. Mumu.
Tatay. Mumu tatay. Mumu tatay. Tatay. Sasakay ka ng plane?
Gusto mo? Mamaya. Where's airplane? Where's airplane? Bye-bye. Huwag naman tinan. Ikaw binibidyo eh. Say hello, hello, hello. Say hello, Lola. Say tatay. Oh, jump doon. Ibibidyo kita. Mag-jump ka doon. Doon. Yan, jump ka dyan. Jump. Yung bagsak na puwet. Jump. Tapos na? Nge. Di ko naintindihan. Giling. Oh, yeah! Isa pa, jump pa. Likot. Buchay, Momo. Say Momo. Di naman pala maganda yung Pilipinas Got Talent eh.
Uy, hulog ka.
Ay, Buchay, Momo. Momo, say Momo.
Sing ka, sing.
Sing. Galing naman mag-sing. Galing naman mag-sing. Ang galing naman mag-sing. Sing pa. Ang galing mo naman. Oh, dance naman. Dance naman. Dance. Stand up, dance. La. Kembot mo, ikembot. Oh, sing naman. Oh, sing naman, Buchoy, sing. Sing naman. Ano yan? High pitch ah. Oh, Mumu naman si Buchoy. Mumu ka naman daw. Mumu ka. Say Mumu. Ano yan? No, not me. Oh, sing. Sing. Yung mukha, feel pa niya. Pakit naman eh, pakit. Oh, dance ulit. Dance na. Dance. Kembot. Woo, shake your head. Oh, sing. Very good. Oh, napagod. Oh, pakita mo naman. Oh, run here and there. Run. One, go. Run. Uy, run. Oh, sa kabila naman. Sa kabilang cabinet. Run. Oh, say babay na. Say babay. Say babay. No, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Butchoy. Pinapanood mo eh.
Gigil ka, gigil ka, gigil. Pakit ka, pakit.
Oh, read the book? Oh, sige, latag mo dyan. Latag mo sa floor. Read ka na ng book. Oh, read the book na. Sit down. Sit down and read the book na. Oh, read the book na. Wow, very good. Nagre-read siya ng Pooh. Wow, very good. Last na. Sing ulit, sing. No, sing na. No, sing. Oh, that's jumping eh. Sing. Oh, yan. Sige, tingin ka sa mirror. Oh, sing na.
Model ka nga, model.
Model. Close the cabinet na.
Model, ikot. Model ka, ikot. Sayaw niya ng beto. Model ka, model. Model ka, model. Where's your hair? No, banana. No more. Init mo na. Show your hair. Where's your hair?
Mas mataas ang chance ang magkaroon ng diabetes ng mga
Where's your
pasyenteng
nose?
may HIV/AIDS.
Where's your...
Ito ang resulta ng pag-aaral na pinangunahan ni Dr.
ears?
Mark Knopfler ng Washington University.
Where's your ears? Where's your earring? Where's your beautiful earring?
Ng immune system.
Eh,
Where's your mouth?
Insulin resistance sa pasyente.
Show your teeth. Show your teeth here. Here. Show your tongue. Show your tongue here on the camera.
Where's your shoulder?
No, here.
Shoulder.
Wow.
Where's your tummy?
Tummy.
Where's your tummy? There.
Wow.
Where's your feet?
Where's your feet? Ayan.
Feet. There. Where's your hands?
Ang nagpapadami ng HIV.
Hands. Where's your knees?
Para maiwasan ang
Knees. Where's your knees?
Knee. No, that's shoulder.
Not one. Knees.
Wow. Very good.
Elbow. Where's your elbow? Elbow? Where elbow? Elbow where? Where?
Oh. Butchoy, karate mo si mama. Karate. Oh, you sleep na? Sleep na on your bed. Sleep ka na sa bed.
Yung ball group. What's that? Parang may popcorn sa taba.